Welcome to our video on how to remote desktop from Mac to Windows. If you're a Mac user who needs to access a Windows computer remotely, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step guide how to set up remote desktop connections between your Mac and Windows computer. So let's go. The first step is to make sure that you have Microsoft Remote Desktop installed. Where can you find it? Just press Command Space and then go to App Store. From the App Store, type Microsoft Remote Desktop. When you see this app, make sure to download this only. Please verify everything you download is from a credible source. Open it. It will ask to request your microphone and camera. Make sure you allow that, and you allow camera, and now we're ready to add PC that is supposed to be a Windows PC. So let's add a Windows computer. Just click add PC. It will ask for your PC name. Later I will show you how to get your PC name, but in the meantime my PC name is this. Okay, so I'll add that and I'll double click on this PC. It will connect to that PC. How did it find it? Make sure that you are on the same Wi-Fi network as the Windows PC. So I'll just put my username and my simple password to my Windows PC. It will ask for the credibility of this PC and it will download to your computer. This is a certificate from the Windows PC. Just click continue. Okay, look at that. It's now connected to my Windows PC. How easy was that? On the Windows PC, there are a couple of settings that you need to turn on before you can connect to it. So let's go to the Start menu and type Settings and click Settings. From the settings, you need to type here Remote Desktop Settings. So click this. From here, it is first turned off, so you need to turn it on. How do you find your Windows PC name? It's very simple. Just click this PC, go to Properties, and you will see here my Windows PC name. This is the name that you need to type on the Mac computer. If you want to go back and forth copy and pasting files from Mac to Windows, you just need to press Command Tab. So it will make you choose Finder and you will go back to your Mac. From here, you can simply copy files. For example, this untitled folder, copy it, and then look at this icon below. Just click it again, Microsoft Remote Desktop. You'll be back here in your Windows, and then just double click and paste it. Here, you can copy and paste files. One thing to note, when you're from the Mac and you're going to connect to your Windows, only one user or one session can be active at a time. If somebody logs in your Windows PC, you will be automatically disconnected. Also, make sure that you don't lose Wi-Fi connection in your Windows PC. If that's the case, you cannot access it anymore. Thanks for watching. Bye!